how to enable or disable apps that can view content shared in messages on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, swipe up to go down and tap on Messages. Next, we go down and tap on Share with You. Make sure you turn on automatic sharing. This will allow apps to be able to view content that is shared in messages. Now go down the list here and select which app that you would like to allow to view automatic sharing, or to view the content that automatically share from messages. So select an app that you want to switch off or turn on. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings, or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.